Entrepreneurship is really important to me because it's really important to society. In order for our society to stay healthy, it needs to continue to grow. Most of the growth that we see in our economy comes from startup companies rapidly growing.
As a business university, we are committed to changing the world with transformative education. To do that, we need the traditional fundamentals of business education, as well as learning how to be entrepreneurial. We want to be the resource that everybody can tap into to learn about entrepreneurship, get the right skill set, and so they can build their own ventures.
Bentley's given me probably the most resources I could have ever asked for, on top of the network for the alumni and professors and even the members.
So much of what entrepreneurship is cannot be taught. It's about fostering these spaces and creating these spaces and opportunities to give the entrepreneurship space to grow.
You get a network of faculty. You get a network of students from all over the world. You get a campus life that has a multitude of communities.
One of the initiatives that we have is something called coaching sessions, where an alum comes in, gets intense time with the students, and the students get that intense time with the alum.
They teach us about what it is to become an entrepreneurship, the process, and they tell us their story of how they got their success in entrepreneurship.
As an entrepreneur, as somebody who's always started businesses and worked in startups, and I've got a lot of friends that are alumni from Bentley, we've always kind of said to ourselves, we are entrepreneurs, and Bentley is an entrepreneurial school. And so it's exciting to be back and start to see a program like this and see the progress they're making.
Our students learn to build large businesses.
The goal of the incubator program is to foster the new startups on campus and to really get the ball rolling with them.
It's a big career path for kids, right? And I think it's great to be able to come in and get that sort of discipline in here and practice a lot of the stuff that you get involved in startup companies, and you're going to have to use those skill sets, and so they're learning that here.
Students are engaged. They're talking to each other, they're talking to alumni, they're talking to faculty mentors, they're talking to coaches, they're talking to judges, and as they're doing all of these things, they're getting excited about the possibility that they can start doing so many of these things on Bentley campus.